Good morning. Today we are going to be starting in Quill. This is a Quill week. So since we have our Quill assignment, it is posted right here, and it's just the same as what you've been doing. But as a reminder, since it's been a little bit, you'll go to quill.org, log into your account, and click on our course, and you'll see a list of activities to do. Complete at least one activity for each day that we're working in Quill. So if you're an A-Day student or a B-Day student, it'll just depend. And this week is actually going to be a little bit different because we do have sort of a makeup day built in. So just for today, just worry about getting at least one completed. And each time you complete an activity, it shows up in the teacher dashboard, so you don't have to turn anything in. I will go in and check it myself. So you'll take about 10 minutes to complete one of those. Pause the video if you need to go ahead and do that, and then come back. The next thing we'll do is our journal for today. So our journal prompt for today is, do you think that getting revenge after being wronged makes people feel better or not? And explain your reasoning. So you can say that yes, it does help, and here's why, or you can say no, it does not make them feel better, and here's why. But make sure that you're explaining your reasoning and you're not just saying yes or no. You want to write at least 3 complete sentences with proper capitalization and punctuation to receive credit. So remember that you need to have a capital letter at the beginning of every sentence, a period at the end of every sentence, and anytime you use the word I, like I will, I have, I'm going to, any of those things, you need to capitalize it. And so those are the biggest things that I'm noticing on your journals. So again, you can pause and come back to the video when you're done with your journal. And then if you need to review vocab, I have it listed here. I am going to have the in-person students review their vocab. A-Day students, you have a quiz on Friday over Cask of Amontillado, and the vocab is also going to be on there. B-Day students, your quiz is not until Tuesday the 13th because we don't have school on Monday the 12th. So again, B-Day students, you can still go in and review. If you feel like you know the vocab and you're good, then you can skip number 3. It's up to you. Nothing to turn in there. It's just a Quizlet link so that you can review your vocab. Finally, we're working on the Cask of Amontillado reading assignment that we've been working on for several days, and the modified questions are here if you are someone who receives modified assignments. This is due by the end of your class period. A-Day students Monday, B-Day students Tuesday. So make sure that you are working to get that done. Again, your quiz for A-Day students is Friday, for B-Day students is Tuesday. And I wanted to also point out that Article of the Week number 4 has been posted. So I had not very many people turn in Article of the Week 3. Now we're on to Article of the Week 4, so make sure that you're taking time to work on that as well. The last thing I wanted to talk about today is an extra credit opportunity that you have. So this link right here, number 5, is extra credit. It is due before you take the quiz. So again, A-Day students, that's Friday. B-Day students, that's Tuesday. Once the quiz has been taken, then you can't do this anymore because it's supposed to help you prepare to take the quiz. So obviously once we have taken it, then there's no point anymore. So this is a digital escape room. I'm going to go ahead and click on preview. So if you go ahead and click on starting the quiz, what you're going to do is there are 5 clues that you have to solve. And those clues unlock these locks. So there's a 5-letter lock, a 10-letter lock, a 4-digit lock, a 9-digit lock, and an 11-letter lock. And you will find all of the clues here at this link. So this link has all of your clues for the escape room. If you've never done an escape room before, when you do one in person, they lock everybody in a room and you have to find clues to get yourself out and unlock different things and locks so that you can get out. So we're doing a similar idea, but it's digital, so you have to enter the codes. Do not enter them here on this Google form, though. You want to enter them here on this quiz so that you can get your extra credit. If you, let's say you submit all of your answers and you submit the quiz and you get 6 out of 10, well, that means that you haven't escaped yet. You have 2 of your locks are incorrect, and it'll show you which ones you have correct and which ones you have incorrect. So how do you find what the clues are? You click on these pictures in the escape room. Okay, some of them you'll have to use together, some of them you just do individually, and they will, once you solve them, will give you clues. So like if I click on the skull, it's going to take me to a vocabulary game. Okay, so then I have to solve the vocabulary game. Okay, it's like a little memory game. So I have to go through the, it's just like a matching game. So I have to go through, find my matches, and once I have found all of the matches, then it will give me a clue. It could be a lock, it could be a clue to another puzzle. So you just kind of have to mess around with them. Like if I click on the glass of wine here, it's going to take me to a mystery piano, and it says use your answers from the reading check to play the notes on the piano to crack the code. Well, I haven't found the reading check yet, so I need to go back to the site and I need to keep clicking around until I find a reading check. So some of the clues go together to work. Other ones you just can use individually. It's just kind of a fun way to review your vocab, the structure of the story, and then also some of the analysis of the story as well. So again, this is completely optional. It's extra credit, so it's up to you. You do have to break out to get the extra credit, though. So make sure that if you want the extra credit, that you are getting 10 out of 10 on that quiz. You have to break out successfully in order to earn extra credit. So that is what we have for today. If you have questions, I will add the Zoom links to our announcement, and you can call in or you can email me or send me a message on Canvas, whatever you need to do. And I will talk to y'all soon.